Hi everyone. This video will walk you through how to create a profile that represents Glow. Now, in the previous video, with setting our settings, we talked a little bit about the profile. To get to your profile, click Account, and then click the Profile tab. Here it brings up some information about you. Let's edit our profile. Here's your name and your pronouns and your title. So I'm going to type in Virtual Learning Coordinator / teacher. Okay. Now my biography. Mr. Sorrells serves as the Virtual Learning Coordinator at Glow. He also teaches Honors Math 2, Honors Math 3, and Beginning Theater Arts. This is Mr. Sorrells' 15th year of teaching and 3rd year. I'm going to keep this consistent at the Girls Leadership Academy of Wilmington. Okay? You can add in a couple more things to your biography if you would like. Any important links. But we also want to add a profile picture that is professional. Okay? If you already have a professional headshot or a previous photo from a previous school, we want to make sure that this photo here is professional because it's what students and parents will see. You'll click on the pencil. You can upload a picture. You can take a picture from here, okay? Either one of those. If you need assistance with uploading a picture or taking a photo or determining if one of your photos is appropriate, just let me know. Okay, so you'll upload your photo, you'll be able to recenter it if you need to, and then you'll click Save. Okay, once you click Save there, scroll to the bottom and click Save Profile. Any questions? Just let me know.